Listen, y'all, I was going back and forth just a minute ago on whether or not to talk to you guys about this tonight. But there is a sweet spirit down here in this amphitheater this evening. And I want to tell you something. If you're here tonight and you've thought before that maybe you'd like to follow Jesus, you got to take the first step. The first step's the easy part. The first step's deciding to follow Jesus. It can be summed up in one sentence. And that says, Lord, I'm sorry for what I've done wrong. Would you forgive me? You say, that doesn't sound like a lot, Levi. I know it doesn't. It's a short sentence. But I'll tell you what's in that short sentence. I know we're at a concert this evening, but these are some church words coming at you, all right? There's confession. I've done wrong. There's repentance. I'm sorry for it, and I'm not going back. And then there's that last part. Just calling on Jesus to forgive you for what you've done wrong. And you know, if you'll do that, even down here at the amphitheater this evening, right where you're sitting, I promise you, He's going to do exactly what you asked Him to do. You say, you know what, I'd like to follow Jesus. I'd like to take that first step, and I don't know what to do next. I'm glad you asked, though. Because if you're going to follow Jesus, if you're going to take the first step, you've got to tell people about it. Jesus said that Himself. He said, it's with our heart that we believe, with our mouth that we confess. And He said, if you're going to be ashamed of me before men, I'll be ashamed of you before my Father. Y'all, it's important. We need to tell people about Jesus if we follow Him. And then, y'all, if you take that first step and you find somebody to tell it to, I encourage you to get involved in church. And I'm not plugging any church or denomination here tonight. It's not what we're here to do. But y'all, find a church. Get involved. I'll tell you why. They're going to help encourage you in your faith. It doesn't matter if you're a new believer, if you've followed Jesus for a long time, or even if you don't follow Jesus at all. Get involved in church. They'll help you along in your faith. That's what they're there for. And y'all, once you're in church, they'll show you the way from there, but I appreciate y'all letting us take just a second and talk to you about how to get started. Because that's important, isn't it? And we had a good time at Echo Hollow Amphitheater here tonight. Y'all, I cannot tell you what a privilege it's been to be with you guys here this evening. We have looked forward to it. It's been on our calendar since last year. And I'm glad we finally got down to the bottom of the amphitheater and got to play some music for you guys. And y'all, what do you think? Is this the loudest crowd in Missouri or what? It's been great to be with you this evening. Do you think we can play one more for you before we leave? There's one thing that remains the same for everyone. We only get so many trips around the sun. I'm moving on till we go, and what it holds on, they got more. So I decided to make the most of what I got. This life is out there waiting, ready or not. Yeah, it's an open door I'm gonna walk through. I'm not for sure what I'm gonna do is love. With all that's in me, gonna give. Oh, nothing back. I'm gonna pray, cause I know that God is listening, and that's a fact. And I'm gonna live my days till tomorrow. I'm gonna run on till the road runs out. Yeah, all we have is spirit. So I'm gonna make it count. I'm gonna slow down, soak it up and take it in. And be quick to show forgiveness like Jesus did. Oh, life is short, yeah, that's true. I know for sure what I'm gonna do is love. We gon' last in me, gonna keep holding nothing back. I'm gonna pray, 'cause I know that God is listening and that's a fact. And I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. I'm gonna run till the road runs out. Whoa, we have this here right now, so I'm gonna live it down. Every moment, every minute, every step of every mile, Lord, won't be here for a little while. So I'm gonna love. Have y'all enjoyed my brother Jacob on guitar? And how about my dad, Mr. Rob Mills? And I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. I'm gonna run till the road runs out. Whoa, we have this here and now, so I